This is day 6 of my weed cigarette strategy. I was well under a pack, and I've been a pack-a-day smoker for over 16 years. However, I have smoked over 8 cigarettes a day in the past 3 days, which was my goal, so I do need to go cold turkey eventually. I've been letting small hiccups, like losing access to a phone number connected to some cryptocurrency accounts, which lost around $60 for me, and cracking a phone screen while biking and it broke completely, bother me, so I can't let that make me smoke more cigarettes, and that's why the cold turkey strategy might be better for me, and I do need to do that eventually. Have a great day. Bye, 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 bye.